Riding is very important naman sa lahat, lalo-lalo na sa mga nagdi-daily nagmumotor. Hindi lang to sa big bike. So marami tayong matututunan, more on safety, kung anong mga hindi natin alam before na ngayon lang din malalaman sa tulong ng Motor Trade and ng Kawasaki.
Yes, una-una yun, hindi lang yung nakapag-ride kami and nakita natin yung iba't ibang lugar dito sa Bicol. Isa yun, yung safety riding and pag-sama-sama natin mga riders and enjoy lahat.
Thank you po sa program ito. So, and of course, sa Motor Trade family na nandito ngayon, na nagtulong-tulong upang maging maayos at perfect yung ating programa. So, thank you po. Kawasaki Motor Trade #1.
Thank you so much, Kawasaki and Motor Trade. Napakaganda ng event, kakaiba, first in Bicol. Tuwang-tuwa yung grupo ko, lalo-lalo na sa BRG.
This event is organized by Kawasaki and Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation. We would like to thank the sponsor for having us here. Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite sa amin.
Motor Trade, we don't just fulfill your dream bike, we also let you fully enjoy your bike with this kind of adventure. So talagang masasabi mong talagang hindi ka nagkamali na sa Motor Trade ka kumuha. It's because Motor Trade is the #1 dealer in the Philippines.
In the end, it doesn't even matter.
One thing I don't know why, doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself of a time when in spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me. I'm surprised it got so things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I
Tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind.
Motor Trade, sa Kawasaki Philippines, pag-invite sa amin, and sa mga kasama natin mga riders, and sa mga team, sa buong team namin na nakasama din natin na nag-ride kanina. So, and sa mga lahat ng mga riders, maraming salamat, and hope to see you next Road Gas Meet.
Even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time.
So I'll take this opportunity also to thank our top management for letting us or giving us the chance na makasalamuha kay mga riders kasi kayo yung aming sentro ngayong gabi na to. So I would like you to enjoy the rest of the day, ride safe always, and have fun.